Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS S3 for mobile file uploads step by step clearly. To authorize with AWS S3 for mobile file uploads, begin by setting up your AWS account. Navigate to the AWS Management Console and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the S3 service from the list of available services. Create a new bucket by clicking on the Create Bucket button. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select the appropriate region. Configure your bucket settings, including versioning and public access options. Review and create the bucket by clicking on the Create Bucket button at the bottom. Next, navigate to the IAM Management Console to create a new user. Click on Users and then Add User to start the process. Enter a username for your new user and select Programmatic Access as the access type. Next, set permissions for the user by assigning them to a specific group or attaching existing policies. Choose the Amazon's 3 full access policy to grant full access to S3. Review the user details and then create the user. Make a note of the access key ID and secret access key generated for the user. In your mobile app, integrate the AWS SDK for your specific platform. Initialize the SDK using the access key ID and secret access key. Configure the SDK to point to your specific S3 bucket. Set up the proper permissions using a Cognito identity pool if needed for secure authentication. Create a file upload function that uses the SDK to handle file uploads to S3. In your upload function, specify the bucket name, file path, and any required metadata. Test your file upload functionality thoroughly to ensure it works as intended. Check your S3 bucket to confirm that files are uploading successfully. That completes the authorization process for uploading files to AWS S3 from your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.